So we've done pink. This is pink heart. And now we're going to make red heart. Red heart. I love red hearts. It's really beautiful. Red hearts is you love it. Heart's supposed to be red, right? Here we go. There we go. This is red heart. We'll do the first coating. I think talking doesn't help. Just watch. Now we'll make a little red heart. This is so cute. Mm, mm, mm. See, Sarah, Sarah, whatever will be. See that I have little of this red and it's just wasting on my hand. It's not happy. Okay. You have to put water beside you. See this bowl of water. Have a bowl of water beside you. It helps. Then hanky or tissue paper serviettes, whatever you have. Whatever goes, whatever goes. Yeah, I'm almost done. So this is the red, as you can see. Yeah. And this is the pink and the red. You see? This is so beautiful. I'm gonna make it all and then I can make short videos.